Have you ever walked on a road with cracks, loose gravel, and moss-covered sidewalks? It's frustrating, right? Road repair has always been a painful and time-consuming task, but now there are tools that make it faster, easier, and shockingly effective. Whether it's clearing thick moss, sealing cracks, or even measuring distances with precision, these tools are changing the way roads are repaired. So, let's see them now. Firstly, let's talk about something that tackles one of the most annoying problems: moss and weeds on hard surfaces. The Westerman Honda Moss Brush is a powerful tool that removes moss without using chemicals or water. It works on block paving, tarmac, and concrete by rotating in both directions to get into those small cracks where moss loves to grow. What's great is that it doesn't damage the surface, even on aggressive settings. It runs on a Honda engine, ensuring reliable performance. If you've ever struggled to remove stubborn moss with a regular brush or pressure washer, this could be a real time saver. The brush height is adjustable, meaning you can go for a light or deep clean depending on the surface. Professionals and homeowners alike can use it, whether it's for a driveway, sports court, or public pathway. Plus, it folds down for easy storage. If you're tired of moss making surfaces slippery and ugly, this tool is a must-have. Moving on, we have something for heavy-duty road repairs: the Paving Breaker. If you've ever seen construction workers breaking through concrete, this is the tool they're using. It's a powerful pneumatic tool designed to demolish concrete and help in street repairs. It comes in different weight classes, so you can choose one depending on how tough the job is. Safety is important with this one, so wearing proper gear like gloves and glasses is a must. What's really useful is the vibration-reduced handles, making it a bit easier to hold during long work hours. The air-powered system ensures it delivers maximum impact, breaking through tough materials in seconds. Whether it's fixing potholes or removing old concrete, this tool does the job without requiring too much effort. Next, we have something simple but extremely effective: the Wallen Steel Tamper. It's a heavy-duty tool designed to compact asphalt, gravel, and soil. If you've ever had to fix a driveway or patch up a hole, you know how important it is to make the surface even. That's exactly what this tamper does. With its strong steel construction, it presses down loose materials to create a solid and level surface. The long handle gives you better control, so you don't have to bend down too much. It's great for landscaping, paving projects, and even setting fence posts. If you've ever tried to compact soil with just your feet, you know how uneven it can be. This tool takes away all that guesswork, making the job quick and precise. It ensures a firm foundation for any construction or landscaping work, making it essential for those who want long-lasting results. The tamper's durability means it can withstand repeated use without bending or breaking, making it a worthwhile investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Now let's talk about fixing those annoying cracks on roads and driveways. Asphalt crack tape is a simple yet effective solution. Instead of using liquid fillers that take hours to dry, this tape works instantly. You just clean the crack, peel off the backing, and stick it on. No heating or extra tools required. The best part? It's weather resistant, so rain and heat won't damage it. If you've ever seen a driveway with small cracks that keep getting bigger, this tape can prevent further damage. It's perfect for highways, sidewalks, and even home driveways. Just press it down firmly, and you're good to go. Because of its self-adhesive design, it makes repairs incredibly easy for anyone, even those without professional experience. Unlike traditional sealing methods that require additional materials and expertise, this tape provides a fast and accessible fix. Whether it's for homeowners maintaining their property or workers handling road repairs, this tool is a simple yet valuable solution. Next up, let's talk about precision. If you need to measure long distances accurately, the Zosen measuring wheel is the tool for the job. Whether you're a construction worker, landscaper, or homeowner, this tool helps you measure large areas without needing a traditional tape measure. It works on grass, concrete, gravel, and dirt, so no matter where you are, you'll get an accurate reading. The best thing is, it's foldable and easy to carry around. If you've ever struggled to measure a long driveway or property boundary with a standard tape, this wheel makes it effortless. The sturdy build ensures durability even on rough terrain, making it a reliable tool for various projects. Whether you're measuring land for fencing, calculating pavement lengths, or working on professional construction sites, this measuring wheel takes out the hassle of manual measuring. The foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for transport and storage, allowing for use anywhere without taking up much space. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Safety is key in road repair, and that's where Batiff traffic safety cones come in. These aren't just any cones, they're made of durable PVC, designed to withstand crashes, sun exposure, and harsh weather. With reflective colors, they're visible both day and night, ensuring safety in all conditions. Whether you're blocking off a repair area or directing traffic, these cones do the job. If you've ever driven past a road repair site, you know how important it is to have clear markers. These cones make sure everyone stays safe while work is in progress. Their weighted base prevents them from toppling over easily. Even in strong winds or heavy traffic areas, they can be stacked for convenient storage and transported effortlessly to different locations. From temporary roadblocks to construction zones, these cones play a crucial role in maintaining order and safety. Now, let's look at something for professional road repairs: the CrackPro heated hose machine. This tool melts and applies hot rubberized asphalt to seal cracks permanently. It keeps the sealant at the right temperature, so there's no need to stop and reheat. If you've ever seen roads with smooth, sealed cracks, chances are a machine like this was used. It prevents water from getting into cracks, which can cause bigger problems over time. For road crews and maintenance teams, this machine is great. The heated hose eliminates the need for frequent flushing, making cleanup much simpler. Its efficient heating system ensures that the sealant stays at an ideal temperature, reducing downtime and improving productivity. Whether it's municipal road repair, highway maintenance, or even private asphalt projects, this machine delivers fast and effective results, keeping roads in top condition for years. Upcoming is the Flame King BTU Propane Torch Kit, a must-have tool for road repair and maintenance. Designed for heavy-duty jobs, this torch is perfect for melting asphalt, repairing potholes, and removing old road markings with ease. With its 100,000 BTU heat output, it delivers intense heat, making roadwork faster and more efficient. Built for durability, the torch features iron and brass construction, ensuring it withstands tough job site conditions. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during long hours of use, while the safety lever valve offers precise flame control for better accuracy and protection. Convenience is key. This torch arrives fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. The 10-foot hose gives you extended reach, so you can cover more ground without constantly moving the propane tank. Plus, it's compatible with multiple propane cylinder sizes, adding to its flexibility. Safety is a top priority when working with high heat. Whether you're sealing cracks, heating asphalt, or removing road lines, the Flame King Propane Torch Kit is a reliable tool to get the job done efficiently and effectively. Finally, the YardMax Plate Compactor is a durable and reliable tool for road repair and construction projects, delivering 1,850 pounds. Of compaction force with a 79cc 2.5 GP engine, this machine produces 5,900 blows per minute, making it highly effective for compacting asphalt, gravel, and soil. Designed for durability and efficiency, the compactor features a single stamped plate that eliminates weld beads, reducing the risk of rust and ensuring a smoother, stronger surface. The 3-point handle with rubber bushings absorbs vibration, making operation more comfortable while maintaining precise control. One of its standout features is the fold-up transport wheels, which are conveniently attached for easy mobility around job sites. Additionally, The fold-down handle allows for compact storage, making it a practical choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you are preparing a road base, compacting asphalt, or working on sidewalks and driveways, the YardMax is a dependable machine that gets the job done efficiently. Its combination of power, durability, and ease of use makes it a great investment for any roadwork or construction project. So there you have it, some of the most impressive road repair tools that can save time, effort, and even money. From clearing moss to sealing cracks and ensuring safety, these tools make roadwork faster and more effective. If you've ever struggled with any of these problems, now you know there's a tool that can help. Let us know which one impressed you the most in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.